Welcome to babyneed. This channel is about giving tips for women who are planning for pregnancy or going through pregnancy. Also, we give information on your responsibilities in taking care of newborn. In this video, we are going to talk about different kinds of pregnancy tests. There are a few different kinds of pregnancy tests that you can purchase from the store. They all work in a similar way, but there are some differences. In general, pregnancy tests work by detecting the presence of human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, hormone in your urine. The hormone is produced by the cells of a fertilized egg and should show up in your urine within 10 to 14 days after implantation. The first type of pregnancy test is an at-home test kit that you can buy from a drugstore or grocery store. These kits come with a stick to collect your urine, as well as instructions on how to use it and interpret the results. They usually produce results within 3 minutes and cost between $10 to $30 per kit. What is a pregnancy test and how is it used? A pregnancy test is a medical device that is used to detect the presence of pregnancy hormones in urine or blood. A home pregnancy test can be used to find out if you are pregnant at home. It is also called a pregnancy kit, and it contains all the necessary materials for testing. It can be bought from pharmacies or online stores and it costs around $10 to $20. The steps of using a home pregnancy test are: 1. Take your first morning urine sample in the cup provided with the kit. 2. Remove the protective seal from the stick provided with your kit. 3. Insert the stick into your urine sample for 10 seconds. 4. Read what color band appears on the stick. A pregnancy test is a test to see if a woman is pregnant. It detects the presence of the pregnancy hormone, human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG. There are different kinds of pregnancy tests to detect pregnancy. The most common ones are digital pregnancy tests and ovulation predictor kits. Digital pregnancy tests are less expensive, but they require more time to take the test and get the results. Ovulation predictor kits are more expensive, but they usually provide results in 1 to 2 minutes. Pregnancy tests are a type of medical test that can be used to determine if a woman is pregnant. There are two types of pregnancy tests: qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative pregnancy tests detect the presence of HCG. This test can detect early pregnancies, and they don't require any special equipment or lab analysis for results. The disadvantage of this testing is that it may not be as accurate as quantitative testing methods, and it can take up to 5 days for results to come back from a doctor's office. Quantitative pregnancy tests are used to measure the amount of HCG in a woman's urine. The quantitative pregnancy test is the most accurate way to know if you are pregnant. It can be divided into 2 categories. 1. Home pregnancy tests. 2. Clinical pregnancy test. The home pregnancy test is more common because they are inexpensive and easy to use. They work by detecting the levels of HCG in a woman's urine. This hormone is made by cells that form the placenta and is released when an egg implants in the uterus after conception, which means it can be found in urine as early as 6 days after ovulation. The clinical pregnancy test is more expensive and only available at clinics or hospitals. These tests use blood samples to measure. Reasons why you shouldn't trust home pregnancy tests that claim to be 100% accurate. Some women who are pregnant may be tempted to purchase home pregnancy tests that claim to be 100% accurate. However, it is important to be aware of the reasons why you should not trust these at-home tests. First of all, these tests are often inaccurate and can give a false positive result. In addition, they may not detect a pregnancy in the first few weeks. They also may not detect a low hormone levels or an ectopic pregnancy. And finally, they cannot detect whether or not you have miscarried in the last 2 weeks. The conclusion is that the best way to find out if you're pregnant or not is to consult a gynecologist. For more information and updates, visit our website babyneed.in. Thanks for watching this video completely. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel for more videos and also comment your questions in the comment box below.